You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Welcome back to Rome Tech, and today we're diving into the Klever wallet, my personal usage experience and a comprehensive review. You can find links to the Klever wallet in the description below. The Klever wallet is a multi-asset, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet gaining popularity thanks to its robust security features, a refreshingly user-friendly interface, and seamlessly integrated exchange services. It's designed to be accessible to a broad spectrum of users, from those just beginning their crypto journey to seasoned veterans, supporting an impressive portfolio of over 10,000 assets spanning various blockchains. This combination of accessibility, versatility, and stringent security makes Klever Wallet a compelling choice for anyone seeking a streamlined solution for managing their digital assets. One of the standout features of Klever Wallet is its integrated exchange functionality. This allows users to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the application, eliminating the need to navigate to external exchanges. This is a major convenience for frequent traders and anyone looking to diversify their holdings without relying on centralized platforms. In my personal experience, the swaps were executed quickly, and the interface provided clear guidance throughout the entire process. Beyond trading, Klever Wallet also offers staking options for a selection of supported cryptocurrencies, enabling users to earn passive income directly within the app. This is a fantastic added benefit for those looking to maximize the growth of their crypto holdings effortlessly. Security is paramount in the world of crypto, and Klever Wallet clearly prioritizes it. The wallet utilizes top-tier encryption technology, and because it's a non-custodial wallet, your private keys are stored securely on your device, giving you complete control over your assets without reliance on third-party custodians. Adding another layer of protection, the wallet incorporates biometric security options and PIN code protection, both of which are easy to set up and use. I found the backup process, using a recovery phrase, to be straightforward and reassuring, ensuring you can restore your wallet if necessary. Klever Wallet is ideal for users seeking an all-in-one solution for managing, trading, and staking their cryptocurrencies. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it perfect for beginners, while the advanced features, like de-app browsing and the aforementioned staking options, cater to more experienced users who value convenience and security. These additional functionalities further enhance the wallet's appeal, providing a comprehensive suite of tools within a single application. In conclusion, Klever Wallet provides a robust and secure platform with a diverse range of features tailored to meet the needs of various users, from simple storage and asset management to active trading and staking. It's an excellent option if you're searching for a reliable and versatile crypto wallet. For more information and to download the Klever Wallet, be sure to check the links in the description below.